How to get Express Deal on Priceline. Priceline is a popular online travel agency that helps users find and book discounted travel services, including hotels, flights, car rental, and vacation packages. In order to get Express Deal on Priceline, first you have to log into your Priceline account. Enter your travel details. Input your departure city, destination, travel dates, and number of passengers. Look for options labeled as Express Deals during your search. These will typically be highlighted with potential savings displayed. Then check the reviews and price which is in your budget. That's it. Thanks for watching.